If you're thinking about picking up a GoPro Hero 8 Black as a vlogging camera, this is the kind of stabilization that you can expect from it. It's shooting at 4K, 60 frames per second, so that's the maximum stabilization at that rate. If you wanted to get boost on, the boost stabilization will drop that resolution down to 1080p. And so most people are probably shooting in what you see now, because 60 frames per second will enable me to be able to slow it down. It's a bit windy, and GoPro actually swaps out the removable lens from the GoPro Hero 7 Black in order to improve the microphones. The reason being, if you have a removable lens, it will protrude too much. The microphone has to sit under the lens and would create a wind kind of hotspot, so you would get more interference. As a result, hopefully you shouldn't be hearing too much wind noise, but this is a fair representation as to how the audio will record. I haven't got it on a gimbal, so if it's that smooth, well done GoPro. I have it on a kind of selfie stick type thing. You should be able to see in my shadow. So I haven't really got too much else to say, other than if you see yourself on a beautiful day like today with a GoPro in your hand and are happy with this footage, the Hero 8 Black will likely be the GoPro for you.